Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when I post new content. Don't forget also do well to comment, like, and share my video. Without wasting much of our time, let's start with today's tutorial.
Hello creatives, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on how to create a professional, amazing birthday flyer just like the one you are seeing on your screen. Now, I'm not the owner of this flyer, but I'm just using it for tutorial purpose, okay? So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into this video. So first of all, I'll open a new canvas. I'll go to my new canvas. Now, I don't know the size of this flyer because I'm not the creator of the flyer. I'm not the one that created the flyer. But what I will do is that I will first of all open a new canvas. Okay, after having an interface like this, I'll go down to my background tool now to actually get the size of that particular flyer. So I'll click on from gallery. Okay, after clicking from gallery, I will import the flyer directly inside my background. Okay, so I'll just click on my check mark. This is the flyer and this is the size. Now what I will do here is that I will go back to my background, to my image size. This is the size 1120 pixels by 1280 pixels. That's actually the size of this particular flyer. Now to remove the flyer here, because I actually want this area to be my workspace. I want to work on this area because this is actually the size of this particular flyer. So what I will do now, I'll just go to my color. I will give it a solid white color. Perfect. This is the size of that particular flyer. Okay, so without further ado, let's start creating. So I'll go to my, first of all, I'll import my background. I'll go to import. So I will import this. Now I'll drop all the resources in the description. So I'll just scale it like that. I'll lock the layer because I don't want any interruption. So after, let me import the flyer for reference purpose. So this is the flyer. I will just import it for reference purpose. Okay, now the next element, I will bring in an image of this model. Let me bring in the image of this model. So I'll just go back to my import. Yeah, okay, I don't want but this, so I'll go back. Okay, now if you check the original fly, there is a fading effect. You see, there is a fading effect which has been applied on this model. So how can we do that? If you see if you see my own model, this like this area is too solid. Now I want to apply a fading effect. I want to erase it. I want to brush this area. So I'll go to my erase tool. I'll increase my brush size. Okay, let's see something. Then I'll just click on my check mark. I will brush it again. Perfect. So I'll click on my check mark. But I'm not convinced with this my Pixellab brush. So what I will do is that I will go to my Photoshop CC. Okay, so I'll import the image here. I'll click here. I'll click, go to photo library, So click here. Okay, the image is not there, so I'll go to my downloads. Let me see if I'll have it inside the downloads folder. Okay, the image is not here, so let me check. Okay, the image is here, so I'll just add. Perfect. Now I'll go to I'll click on this and button. So after you click on this and button, you will see fit. So I'll just click on this fit. Okay, now I'll just swap it like that, bring this one down. Okay, I'll do it like this. So I'm good to go. So I'll just click on my check mark. I'll click on the and again and apply a fit again. So I'll click on my check mark, then I'll just click on done. I'll save it. So now I want to export. I'll export the feeding image into my Pixellab. So I'll just click like that. I'll take save to gallery. Then I'll mark the image that I want to save to my gallery. Then I'll just, and I don't want a JPEG, so I'll click here to actually, because this image is a PNG image, so I'll go in for PNG. Then I'll click on my OK. Good. Now I'll go back to my Pixellab. Okay, let me now first of all delete it. I want that you should actually see the changes between the Pixellab fading and the Photoshop CC fading. So I'll go to my import. Okay, this is my import. Now see the difference. This is the one from Photoshop CC. You see the feelings of the fading. Now this is the one from Pixellab. So I don't want the one from Pixellab because it does not suit what I want to, the design I want to achieve, the effect I want to achieve. So I will delete this fading from Pixellab. I will use the one from Photoshop CC, which is this one. So just place it here. I will reduce the size like that. Okay, after doing like that, I will import this rose. So I'll go to my import. This is the rose here. But if you check this rose if you check the rose on this fly, you see that the rose is blurred. So what I will do now is that I will go back to my Photoshop CC. Okay, I'll take art photo from library. I'll check the folder where I have the rose. So let me see, I have the rose here. This is it. So I'll just click on art. So I'll go back to my and I'll now take, sorry, not and this time around, I'll not use and. I'll come here, I'll click here. I'll now take I'll click on FX, not this FX. I'll click on FX. Then I'll take Gaussian blur. So I will increase the blur radius. Like that. I'll click back on FX, Gaussian blur, something like that. I'll just accept it. Now I'll take done, save. I will click here to save this sunflower. I'll take save to gallery. Then I'll seek it like that because I actually want this. Then I'll change the option to PNG because I want a PNG version of this sun rose. So I'll just click on my OK sunflower. Then I'll go back to my Pixellab. So I'll delete this version because the version is not the blurred version, so I'll import back the blurred version. Okay, now see something. I will just place it here. This is the reference, so I'll just place it here. Okay, now make a duplicate. I'll make a duplicate of this sunrose. Then I'll go to my layer. I'll send to back. I'll send behind this model. So yeah, this is it. I'll place it here like that, then this model like that. Now I want to, for this sunrose element, I want to erase this part, so I'll just go back to my erase, Pixellab erase. This time around I'll use Pixellab erase. So increase my brush size, increase my fading. So I'll just erase it like this. Then I'll click on my check mark. Okay, yeah, that's it. So I'll balance my model like that. Good. So after, let me go back to my erase. I will undo a bit. Yeah, undo. Okay, I over erased. Let me not over erase this sunrose. I'm sure it's a sunrose. It's called sunrose. I'm sure that's the name. So I set like that. Perfect. I'm going to go for this one. So after doing like that, I'll go to my shape. I want to, let me increase it so that we'll be seeing what we're doing. So I want to have this So I will go to my shape. I will take it like this, reduce it like this. Okay, reduce it again. Now I'll go to my radius. I'll just increase my radius like that. Then I will reduce the opacity of the shape, okay, to 0. Now I'll just increase the stroke. Let me say stroke of 2 or 3 is okay. Okay, now I'll change my stroke color. This is stroke color. I will give it a white color for the stroke. So I'll just click on it like that. Okay, now I want to decrease the radius to something like this. Yeah, I'm good to go. So I'll just center it, relative position. I'll center it. Perfect. Okay, now I'll just import the text. So I'll click on my text icon, text. Is a text here. I will go to edit. I'll just highlight. I'll click on my check mark, clipboard. Yeah, I store the wishes on inside my clipboard. So wishing you a day filled with happiness. I'll just click on OK. Sorry, that's I've just experienced Pixellab scatter project. So what I will do to solve this problem is that I will go to my recover autosave. Yeah, I was here, recover autosave. I know most of you have experienced Pixellab scatter project, but I will make another tutorial on how to solve that problem. So I will go back to, I'll create that shape back again, bring it like this. Go back to my blur radius, then reduce my opacity. Now give it a stroke of 3, then change the stroke color to white. Pixellab scatter project. I know some of you have experienced it, that Pixellab scatter project. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on how to solve that particular problem, Pixellab scatter project. Okay, now I'll go to my text. We were actually here before the problem of Pixellab scatter project. So I'll go to my clipboard. I'll just do it like that. I'll take OK. Now I will reduce. Okay, I'll put it like that. I will change the color, my text color. I'll give it a text color of white. Yeah, something like that. So I'll just relative position it to place it at the center. Relative position to place it at the center. Good. Now the next element I will, okay, now let me create this circle shape. So I'll go back to my shape. I want a circle, so I'll accept it like that. I'll put it, let me, okay, I'll place it somewhere around here. Okay, now for this shape, let me first of all add the shape. So I'll go to my shape. I'll give it a red color. This is where we actually write our glorious, so I'll give it a red color. So I'll go to my color, red, then I'll make a duplicate of that shape like that. I'll go to my edit, I'll bring it downwards. I will give this one a black color, black. Okay, now let me position it below again. Like that. I'll bring the text below. I'll position it to the center. Good. Now let me position this again. Okay, after doing that, I will go to my text. I will say glorious, 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 glorious. I'll put it here, glorious. I'll change the color to white. Okay, let me change the font to, I will use Poppins. So I'll go to Poppins, let me say Gutenberg, Gutenberg. Perfect. I'll use Gutenberg. I'll place it here like that. So I'll just make a duplicate. Now right here, birthday, birthday, birthday. The first letter is capitalized. Birthday, sorry, birthday. Birthday. Okay, I'll have something like this. Birthday, position it there. Now we'll have 16th, so I'll just make a duplicate. I'll put there 16th, 16th, 16th. I will change the color to the same reds we use here. So okay, let me center it. I'll increase the size like that. So I'll just decrease it a bit, position it here. Now make a duplicate and put th, as you can see from the original design. th, okay, th. So th, I will position it here like that. Okay, now the next thing you can see there is April. So I just edit this birthday to April, and it is capitalized, so I'll just click there like that. This is where you can actually change all your words to small letters and to capital letters. Okay, now I will go to my curve. I will curve it like that, then position it here. That's it. Okay, are you seeing? We are going. So after that, let me copy this again, then I'll just edit. I'll go to my clipboard, I will copy it again. That's because I'm using my mouse. Go to my clipboard. Okay, the creative tools. So you can see it here, the creative tools. As I earlier told you, I'm not the owner of this flyer. I'm not the owner. I'm using the flyer for tutorial purpose to actually show you on how you can create professional, or how you can duplicate professional birthday designs, just like the one you are seeing on your screen. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe now. I also have another YouTube channel that I teach people on how to do professional motion design with their smartphone using Light Motion. Okay, so after doing that, I will, let me take it again above, center it. Yeah, I'm good to go. So I will just take this a bit this way. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, let's okay, we are left with the name of our model. So just click on my birthday. I will make a duplicate. Chioma. So Chioma, that's it. So okay, I'll center it, I'll change the font to, let me say, Choco. I'll use Chocolading Demo. Yeah, that's it, Chocolading Demo. I'll center it there. Chocolading Demo. Now once I will apply a shadow on this particular text. Okay, so I'll click here to reduce my shadow. Yes, so I'll reduce my transparent. the transparency of the shadow. I'll reduce it like that. Okay, let me see. Let me reduce the blur radius a bit. Okay, now I'll go to my offset X. I want something like that. Okay, now Amarachuku. So just make a duplicate of this glorious and type Amarachuku. Amarachuku. Like that, Amarachuku, like that. So place it here. I'll reduce the size a bit. Okay, I'm sure we're done. We're almost done. So I will okay, let me put it here, then center it, then shift the model again up. I'll center it. Okay, now I'll go to my panel. I want to carry a glorious, the birthday, and these two shapes. I want to push it upwards. So I'll just click on my check mark. This is it. This is the birthday layer, the glorious layer, the two. So I'll just click like that. I'll click on my position. Something like that. Okay, yeah, I'm good to go. So but I'll slightly reduce this. Sorry, let me reduce this shape a bit, something like that. Okay, I'll reduce it again a bit. Something like that. I'll go to my position. Okay, now bring back my birthday. So I'll reduce the size. I'll place it here. Yeah, let me check the original design. I think we are almost done. We're almost done. Okay, so okay, we are almost done. So I think this shape is too big. I'll reduce it again. I will reduce the size of this, our date, then I'll balance it. I'll balance it like that. I don't want this particular tutorial to be long, so if you are creating it, you take your time, but I hope you get the concept of what I'm trying to strike a balance. So after doing that, let me copy this Amarachuku. So I'll just say I want something like S. I'll come to position it like that. Just see what I want to do. I will increase it like that. Then I'll go to my font. I'll I'll go to my font. Let me use that particular font. So see, I'll now the font is not showing this way. The font is looking like the font has cut this way. So I'll just go to my padding. I'll increase my padding. Yeah, this is my padding. So you see, this is how the font was. So I'll increase my padding and my right padding. So I'll just increase this. Now I'll bring it this way. I'll send to back, then I'll take it above my background, then reduce the opacity. I'll reduce opacity like that. Yeah, so this is what I'm trying to achieve. If you check the original design, you see something here. This is it. So I'll just make a duplicate. I'll place it this way. Duplicate. Let me rotate it a bit. Yeah, place it this way. So we are done with the design. We are done. Yeah, now I will save my design, take it to Photoshop CC to apply this light effects on the design, because we are done with the design already. So I will take it to my Photoshop CC to apply this lens flare to my design. So I'll just delete. Let me save. But before that, I want to work on this. I'll go to my color filters. Let me see something. Yeah, something like that. So I'll just go to my save. Let me first of all increase this a bit. I'll center it a bit. Please, if you I will leave all the resources in the description so you can take your time and create it. I don't want that this particular video to be long, so I'll just hit on my save. I want to save image. I'll click here. I'll save as ultra because this is the highest saving resolution here, ultra. But there is another saving resolution on which I will make a video. For that one, you need to know mathematics. I will make a video on how to save it using mathematical calculations. So I'll go back to my Photoshop CC. I'll click here, photo library. I'll go to my Pixellab folder. This is my Pixellab. So I'll add the design here. I want to apply that lens flare on it. Yeah, this is a design. So I'll just add. Yeah, this is it. So I'll just add. Okay. After I'm doing like this, I'll come here. I'll click here. I'll click on this plus icon. I'll go back to photo layer. So I'll check where I can see this is a lens flare. So I'll click on it like that. I'll add it. So there, I'll put it somewhere around here. Now I'll go to my FX. I want to blur the lens flare a bit. So just allow me like that. I'll come here again. I'll click here. I'll click here to apply my blending mode. So I'll choose screen. Yeah, that's it. So for me to move the lens flare from one position to another, so I will use my hand. I'll go to my hand. I'll take transform. Yeah, something like that. I can scale it like this. transform. If I'm okay with that, I'll just click on my check mark. Yeah, let me apply something again. So I'll go to my plus, photo layer, photo library. Let me just try and add something to see if this will actually work, but this is not part of the design. So I'll just take on FX, Gaussian blur. I'll blur it a bit. If it works, then it's good. So I'll go to my screen, screen. I'm not okay, so I'll just hide the layer here. So I'll go back to my photo library. I want that same sun. Yeah, this is it here. So I'll bring it here. Let me first of all take my screen and see how it works. So I'll bring it here. I'll go to my screen. But I will come back to my let me say FX. I'm looking for replace color. I want to replace color, so let's okay, this is my replace color. Sorry, I'll go back to yeah. Okay, so I'll go to my transform. I'll place this here like that. Then I'll go to my feeding. I want to see what I'm doing. Okay, I'll go back now to my FX and Gaussian blur. Try to blur it a bit. Yeah, I'm good to go. So I'll just take okay. So after doing that, I'll take done. Or hit click done. Or take save. So if I want to the design is here as a project, so I want to export it. So I'll just click here. I'll take save to gallery. I'll select the project I want to save, then I will take okay. Now let me go to my Snapseed to increase the quality. So I'll go to my Snapseed. This is the design here. Okay, this is a design here. So I will go to details. I will increase my structure. So let's say structure of 10, sharpening of +6. Okay. Okay, now I'll go back to, I will take selective. So let me select parts of this model. Sorry, selective. I'll go back to my selective. I want to select. Sorry, I'm actually using a mouse, that's why. So I'll go back to my selective. So let me select part of this model. I'll focus. Let me allow it somewhere on the score area. So I'll just increase my brightness. I will go to my contrast. I will just hit my check mark. So after doing that, I'll go back here again. I will increase, give it some details. Okay, sharpening of +4, sharpening of +4. And after doing that, I'll click on my check mark. Now I want to save the project. I want to save it to my gallery, and this is what I will actually send to my clients if I was doing this for my clients. So I'll go to my save. I'll take save. Yeah, that's it. So let's go back to Pixellab. But we are done with it already. I want to just show you something. I'll go to my import. So this is what I will send to my client. Have you seen? If you seen the difference, this is the difference. If you see here, there's no lens flare. We added our lens flare using Photoshop CC. Then we enhanced the design using Snapseed application. So please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe now. Also hit the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you if I drop awesome tutorial just like this. So thank you for watching this video to this point. God bless you. Bye bye. I will see you in my next tutorial.